Attorney Menchaca, what is the process to apply for an EB5 visa? How does it work?
The EB5 is a three-step process. Okay, first, we go to the government and we request a pre-approval. That's application number 1.
Okay, so what exactly is this pre-approval?
It's basically permission to move on to step 2. In itself, it's just a piece of paper that says you've been approved. That's what we're looking for. But here's how it goes. In application number 1, we tell the government 3 different things. We tell them who you are, the applicant, who your family is, your kids, your spouse. We also tell the government what you're planning to invest your money in, or what you've already invested your money in. And number 3, we tell the government that your money comes from a lawful source, and we have to provide all the documentation showing that your money comes from a lawful source.
Okay, and then after this, we move on to step 2.
Correct. Once we get that pre-approval, we go to step 2, which is when we ask the government to give you and your immediate family a green card, legal permanent residence, the actual card so that you can start living in the United States as legal permanent residents. And that card will come with a duration of 2 years.
Okay, so we ask the government for a pre-approval. We get a green card for 2 years. What's next?
So during those 2 years, your money is to be working, to be invested, and the jobs are to be created. Okay, so you have 2 years to get that done. And then right when that card is about to expire, we go back to the government and we say, now we have application number 3. And in application number 3, we say, look, we already got pre-approved, we already have the green card for 2 years, and the money's been working, creating jobs. And then the government says, okay, and we say, now give us a permanent green card. Okay, give the applicant, the investor, a permanent green card, which means that status is valid for the rest of your life. Okay, and the government says, okay, I'll give it to you if you tell me 2 things. Did you invest the required amount, $500,000 or $1 million, depending on where you invested? And did you create the 10 required jobs? And if you can say yes and yes, then you get approved for the permanent green card and you're a resident for the rest of your life.
Okay, so step 1, step 2, and step 3 would lead me to the permanent residence for life.
Correct.
Okay, thank you, Attorney Menchaca.
My pleasure.